Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Fusion Markets to MetaTrader 4. Right now we are here at trading accounts, so go to trading accounts, and then right here we select on demo because I will show you today how to do that with a demo account, and it works exactly the same for a live account. But right now the first thing that we need to do is click here on create new demo account, and then from here select here at trading platform MT4. That is the most important part. Then after this, 0 is fine. Currency needs to be on US dollars. That's my opinion. So there it is. Leverage 1 to 100 is fine. And then let's trade with 100K. And then from now we select right here, create account. Then he created our account, and this will cost you 10 seconds. Because if you refresh this page, you need to open your email address too, because once you created your account, they will send an email with the login and the password details to your email. So if you don't open your email, it's not possible to connect to MT4. Then right now we go to downloads, and you will see here MetaTrader 4. So now we click on Windows because I'm using Windows, and we click right here on Fusion Markets for setup. Select right here yes, then we do next, and now he is downloading right there. Then keep in mind, still open your email address because now I'm having here my login and my password standing on the left. So now this download is done, so we click on finish. He will automatically open MetaTrader 4 now. There we are. And now we just simply click right there on the demo version. Next, then click here on existing trade account. And then we go to our email and we copy or login to the login right there. And then we go to password and we copy paste this also to password. Then we click now here on finish. And there we are. We connected our Fusion Markets accounts to MetaTrader 4. So this is how you can connect your Fusion Markets accounts to MetaTrader 4. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.